Okay, so question 1. A client of BR Inc. has entered into a 100-day 1,000 promissory note. April 1st, 2019. And our rate is 8.1. So we have, okay, so this 100-day promissory note. Okay, so let me draw this out first. Okay, so our timeline, and this is 2019, and all we know so far, okay, so we have April 1st, and this is $1,000, and it's for 100 days, okay, at 8.1%. Okay, so now next. So if money is worth 3.4% per annum, then how much is the promissory note worth on June 15th? Okay. Well, in order to find out June 15th, sometimes you might get tempted to go from April 1st to June 15th. But unfortunately, we can't do that because first we have to find out, okay, so how much this promissory note would be worth on its maturity date, which is 100 days forward. Okay, so that will be number 1. So we have to move this promissory note, okay, so 100 days forward. Okay, so that's the first thing that we have to do. Okay, so let's do that. So we have, so let's call this number 1. So number 1, this is simple interest, so it's a promissory note. And so we know that the face value of this promissory note, so that's 1,000. Okay, so plus 1, so we have 0.081, that's our rate, and this is 100 days, so we cannot forget, so divided by 365. Okay, so now we can punch this into our calculator to see what we get. Okay, so let's do that. So we have a $1,000 promissory note, so 1 plus. Okay, so this was 0.081 times, and it was 100 divided by 365. Okay, equals. So it's 1,022.19. So we have 1,022.19. So this is the maturity value 100 days later. Now we need, okay, to bring this back. Okay, so June 15th. So this will be June 15th. Now the problem, of course, is we need to know how many days, how much time this is. Okay, so let's try to figure that out. Okay, so we have to know this date, okay, in order to do that. So let's do that next, okay, so to find that out. So we have our calendar here. Okay, so it was April 1st, so that's April 1st right there. Now 100 days, so April 1st is 91, so 91st day. It's 2019, so it's not a leap year. Okay, so now 100 days, okay, forward, So that is going to be 191. Okay, so let's find that day. Okay, so that's right here, and that is July 10th. Okay, so this is July 10th. So now we have to go from July 10th to June 15th. Okay, so June 15th is right here. Okay, so that is 166th day. Okay, so remember, so let me redraw this timeline here for you so you know what's happening. So we are, okay, so we moved our promissory note, okay, over, and that was actually, so this was July 10th. Okay, so that's right here. That's 100 days. Now we're supposed to bring this back. Okay, so this was 191. We're supposed to bring this back to June 15th. So, and we know that that is the June 15th day. So therefore, okay, so we want to find how many days there are here in between. Well, so 191 minus 166, so we can do the subtraction. Okay, so this is going to be 25. Okay, so it's 25 days that we have to go back. Okay, so let's go back here. So this is 25, okay, days. And that will be step number 2. Okay, so step number 2. So now we're going back in time. Okay, so S divided by, so 1 plus RT. Continue here. So, well, S is 1022, okay, 19, divided by, and this would be 1 plus, okay, so we have, okay, our interest rate is now 0.034. That's how much, okay, so please remember, so right here on top, if you're looking, okay, that's where that comes from, and that is only 25 days. Okay, so this is what we have. Now we can punch this into our calculator. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so we're, again, don't try to round until the end. So that becomes, actually, 1019.82. Okay, rounded to the cent. So therefore, what we have is that our promissory note, okay, so this is on June 15th, 2019. Okay, so it's worth that much. And that's it for this one. Okay, thank you for watching.